In the metals quadrant today, gold really the big story, up over 1% on the highs, 1.1% as it got up to 1287.10 today. Starting off at a low, or rather the close yesterday, I should say, at about 1272.90. This was definitely a flight to quality rally. It resumes. You've had 7 straight down sessions in the precious metal, and then today actually turned the week positive. The week had been negative, would have been the second consecutive negative down week as well. But again, this one day turned the week positive. Very big, very high volume move. And again, you could tell in part that it was a flight to quality from some of the other traditional flight to quality commodities and securities that moved with it. For example, Swiss franc was up about 0.5%, Japanese yen a little bit more than 0.5%, and bond yields. Part of the story was bond yields as the 10-year note yield dropped to an 18-month low, 2.311%. On the lows toward the close of the day. Didn't really move much at all. So going back to a time when the Fed wasn't even close to tightening, and it looked like the economy might be going into a recession, or at least predicting a recession, a time where we saw yield curve inversions in certain sectors of the curves. That type of movement in the bonds and the notes will definitely help gold get a rally behind it. And then that bond fall in yields as well as the gold rally also pushed the dollar lower, and the dollar reversed strong intraday gains. We were actually up on the dollar index on the day, turned around midday and ended up finishing on the lows. That certainly gave a little bit of a bid to gold, or the bid in gold gave a little bit of extra pressure to the dollar, one or the other, but that inverse correlation was definitely on display. Considering that gold was straight up most of the day, it's likely that gold caused the reversal in the dollar as opposed to the reversal in the dollar spiking gold. It's not the way it looked on the charts, but really it could have gone either way. Either way, you know, this was a flight to quality bid based off of U.S.-China tensions getting worse.